Welcome to Speed Zone. Today we're diving into a world of unmatched opulence, breathtaking design, and mind-blowing performance. Yes, we're talking about the most extravagant, most luxurious, and most powerful motorhomes of 2026. And not just any motorhomes. These are masterpieces built by the world's most elite automakers. Rolls-Royce, Ferrari, and Bugatti have each unveiled their vision of a luxury home on wheels, redefining what it means to travel in style. These are not your average RVs. These are rolling palaces, engineered with precision, dripping with luxury, and infused with the DNA of high-performance machines. So buckle up as we explore the top 3 luxury motorhomes of 2026. First up is the 2026 Rolls-Royce Majesty Cruiser. Just the name is enough to evoke a sense of grandeur. From the outside, the Majesty Cruiser is unmistakably Rolls-Royce. The iconic Pantheon grille takes center stage up front, flanked by laser-cut LED headlights that resemble sparkling diamonds. The front fascia is imposing yet elegant, setting a tone of dominance and refinement. The body is sculpted with the same attention to detail as a phantom or a ghost, with hand-polished aluminum panels that reflect light like a mirror. The two-tone paintwork, customizable to any shade imaginable, adds a regal touch that instantly commands respect. The massive 26-inch polished alloy wheels, emblazoned with the double R emblem, glide silently over any surface, thanks to an adaptive air suspension system that ensures a magic carpet ride. As you walk around the motorhome, you'll notice the exquisite craftsmanship in every corner. The side panels feature retractable privacy screens that emerge at the touch of a button. The rear showcases a split tail design, opening up to reveal a mini patio complete with teak flooring and a champagne bar. This is more than a vehicle. It's a mobile luxury suite on par with the finest 5-star hotels. Step inside, and you're transported into a world of pure indulgence. The interior of the Majesty Cruiser is lined with the finest materials known to man. Cashmere-infused wool carpets, hand-stitched leather seats, and walnut inlays run throughout the cabin. The ceiling mimics the Rolls-Royce signature Starlight headliner, with over 2,000 fiber optic lights creating a celestial glow that changes based on the time of day or your mood. There's a lounge area with club chairs, a fold-out king-sized bed with memory foam and silk bedding, and a fully equipped kitchenette with gold-trimmed appliances. A walk-in bathroom with marble floors, heated towel racks, and a rainfall shower completes the royal suite. Performance-wise, the Rolls-Royce Majesty Cruiser is no slouch. Powered by a 6.75-liter V12 twin-turbo engine producing 605 horsepower and 840 Nm of torque, this mammoth machine glides effortlessly on highways and can handle inclines with surprising ease. The power delivery is smooth, linear, and near silent. Rolls-Royce has also integrated a hybrid assist system to improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions without compromising the performance. The onboard AI assistant manages everything from route optimization to climate control, and even curates a music playlist based on your driving style. In typical Rolls-Royce fashion, you don't just drive the Majesty Cruiser, you command it. Next on the list is something that feels like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie, the 2026 Ferrari Forza Mobile GT. This isn't just Ferrari's take on the motorhome concept. It's a complete reimagination of mobile luxury performance. The exterior design is bold, aggressive, and unmistakably Ferrari. From its low-slung aerodynamic profile to the massive intakes and aggressive stance, the Forza Mobile GT looks more like a hypercar than a motorhome. The front sports a sleek wind-sculpted nose with matrix LED lighting that adapts to weather and speed conditions. The entire body is constructed from carbon fiber reinforced polymer, giving it both strength and lightness. The sides feature retractable carbon fiber wings that stabilize the vehicle at high speeds. This isn't just for show, it actually contributes to aerodynamic efficiency, helping the Forza GT remain firmly planted on the road. The rear diffuser and quad titanium exhausts hint at the beast that lies beneath. Ferrari has equipped this motorhome with a custom adaptive suspension system, allowing it to corner like a sports car. while an active chassis dampening setup ensures maximum ride comfort during long hauls. Inside, the Forza Mobile GT is an Italian masterpiece of design and innovation. The cabin is a mix of Alcantara, forged carbon fiber, and Napa leather. The cockpit features dual digital displays with haptic touch controls, a voice-activated AI system, and biometric sensors embedded in the seats for fatigue monitoring. The living quarters, though compact compared to traditional RVs, are incredibly well appointed. A high-tech convertible lounge turns into a bed with a press of a button, and the kitchen area includes induction cooking, smart refrigeration, and a wine cellar. The rear entertainment zone has an 85-inch retractable OLED screen and a surround sound system developed in collaboration with Bang & Olufsen. Under the hood, the Ferrari Forza Mobile GT is powered by a mid-mounted 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 hybrid engine producing a jaw-dropping 800 horsepower. This allows the motorhome to accelerate from 0 to 60 in under 4.5 seconds, an unbelievable feat for a vehicle of its size. Ferrari's advanced torque vectoring and electronic stability system ensure razor-sharp handling, making it a performance tourer unlike any other. Despite the sheer power, the hybrid system allows for pure electric drive in urban zones for up to 50 miles, offering a clean, silent cruise when needed. Ferrari has managed to make the impossible possible. Last but certainly not least, we have a true marvel, the 2026 Bugatti Eternité Voyageur. The name says it all: eternal luxury and unmatched speed in one awe-inspiring package. Bugatti's entry into the luxury motorhome space is nothing short of legendary. The Eternité Voyageur looks like a rolling piece of modern art. The front fascia is dominated by the signature horseshoe grille and sleek flowing LED strips that run the length of the body. The design incorporates active aerodynamics, including motorized side skirts, retractable spoilers, and air channels that actively cool the powertrain. The entire body is made from titanium-infused carbon weave, finished in a liquid metal paint that shifts hue based on lighting and angle. The massive 30-inch Bugatti forged wheels are wrapped in custom Michelin touring tires, and behind them lie ceramic disc brakes with blue titanium calipers. The Voyageur's rear end is pure hypercar. The massive diffuser, illuminated EB badge, and central exhaust exit are unmistakable nods to the Chiron and Bolide. Despite its size, the Voyager has the lowest drag coefficient ever recorded in a motorhome, thanks to Bugatti's wind tunnel-tested aerodynamics. Step inside the Eternité Voyageur, and you're greeted by what feels like a first-class cabin on a luxury private jet. The interior is a symphony of leather, suede, carbon fiber, and polished crystal. Everything is bespoke, from the switchgear to the hand-stitched upholstery. There's a central lounge area with reclining zero-gravity seats, a fully automated kitchen with voice command cooking systems, and a bedroom with an adjustable smart mattress that senses pressure points and adjusts firmness in real time. The bathroom includes a smart mirror with facial recognition, temperature-controlled surfaces, and a digital spa experience with aromatherapy and mood lighting. In terms of performance, Bugatti once again breaks all barriers. The Eternité Voyageur is powered by a quad-turbocharged 8.0-liter W16 engine paired with an advanced electric drivetrain. The total output? An astronomical 1,200 horsepower. That's right, a motorhome with more power than most supercars. It hits 60 mph in just 4.2 seconds and has a top speed electronically limited to 155 mph. The power is managed by Bugatti's latest AWD system, which ensures flawless grip and dynamic response, regardless of road condition. It also includes a custom-built regenerative braking system and active torque distribution that adjusts based on terrain. Despite all the brute force, the Voyageur drives with an elegance that belies its numbers. The steering is light yet responsive, and the air suspension soaks up imperfections with ease. A built-in AI co-pilot monitors road conditions, weather, and traffic patterns to provide predictive driving inputs, making long journeys feel effortless. Add to that a 300-mile electric-only range and ultra-fast charging capability, and you have a machine that marries performance and sustainability in a way no one thought possible. All three of these machines represent the pinnacle of luxury travel in 2026. Each brings a unique personality: Rolls-Royce with its timeless elegance and comfort, Ferrari with its razor-sharp performance and futuristic tech, and Bugatti with its awe-inspiring power and avant-garde design. These are not simply vehicles. They are statements of status, expressions of innovation, and sanctuaries on wheels. For those fortunate enough to own one, the road will never be the same again. So whether you're cruising down the French Riviera, conquering the Autobahn, or exploring the winding roads of the Alps, these luxury motorhomes promise an experience like no other. They are the future of ultra-luxurious mobility, built not just to travel, but to elevate every journey into something truly unforgettable. Thanks for watching Speed Zone. If you enjoyed this ride through the future of opulence on wheels, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more high-end automotive content. We'll see you in the next one.